Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on the topic vowels and consonant. You can use this lesson plan for class 1 or 2. Okay. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan on this topic. Previous knowledge. So students are aware of alphabets and can read words also. Okay, so this is for very junior students, so because we are just going to tell them about what is vowels and consonant. Okay, we will not go deep into that, but obviously we will teach them about vowels and consonant. Okay, general aim, students will learn about vowels and consonants. So today we are going to teach them about vowels, what are vowels and what are consonant. They will be able to make words using both vowels and consonant. Specific objectives you can see, to enable them to understand the concept vowel and consonant, and to be able them to make or write words using both vowels and consonant. Okay, for teaching aids what we are going to use is alphabet chart, model, chalk, stickers also we are going to use. Okay, you can add whatever you are going to use while teaching. Okay, here you can see. So we have to ask this question to students that how many alphabets are there. Then students will answer there are 26 alphabets. Then we have to tell them that name alphabets. Then they will tell this. Okay. Alphabets are divided into two categories. Do you know that? They will say no, we do not know about that. Read it loudly. We have to like this. We have to write this on blackboard and we have to tell student to read it. Then student will try to read it. Okay. Do you know about consonant? That consonant and vowel, then it would be problematic. Okay. Here you can see. This is our objectives and specifications. To arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Here you can see subject is English. Okay, class is 1. Okay, now after this we have to announce our topic. We have to say, students, today I am going to teach you topic vowels and consonant. Here you can see topic. Okay, so this is overall look. Okay, now here you can see presentation. So we have to explain them about vowels and consonants. First we have to explain them about vowel. In presentation 1 we are going to teach them about vowels. So here we have to like do this A-E-I-O-U. Okay, A-E-I-O-U. We have to explain the concept like this, and here is a diagram, and we have to like after teaching them we can also like here we can say what is it, an apple, means this is our presentation part. We have to explain them properly. We can take many pictures also, stickers also with us. Okay, now after explaining them properly we have to ask question related to that. Here first question is how many vowels are there. Student will answer there are 5 vowels. Name 5 vowels. Then they will say A-E-I-O-U. Fill in the blanks. Then we have to give this fill in the blanks. Here we also need to just color it. I just forgot it. Okay, then student will answer an. Okay, here you can see blackboard work. Okay, and after explaining them properly we have to like show chart. So whatever teaching it is we are going to use, we have to show it. So and explain again through the chart or model, whatever we have. Okay, so teaching it, chart or model. Consonant you can see here, and after that we have to ask question related to that. How many consonants are there? Student will answer 21. Name them. Okay, so this is our blackboard work. Okay, now rest part of presentation 2. A car, a boy, a toy, a book. Here question related to that. Give examples of consonant, then student will answer, and then we have to give fill in the blanks. Okay, and here you can see blackboard work. A car, a book, a table, a chair, a toy, a pen, a pencil. After that we have to also explain with the help of chart or model, whatever we have. Students observing chart or model. Recapitulation, for that I have given this much. Okay, what is vowel, what is consonant, give example of both vowels and consonant. Okay, fill in the blanks, we have to also give fill in the blanks to students. Like this we have to give list of questions. Okay, now here you can see application and evaluation. So for that I have given here, you can see, okay, this much 10 fill in the blanks. Okay, home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, teacher have to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic vowels and consonant. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.